The shelving of a donation of COVID-19 test kits has been done because of doubts at this time about their effectiveness, a health official explained. According to Minister of State Wendy Phipps, quite apart from the tests being labeled in Mandarin Chinese, there have been serious concerns raised globally about the kind of test kits that were donated. As a consequence, the minister said the Ministry of Health will not use those testing kits at this time.
Yes, the kits were received in Mandarin. There was no way to judge the efficacy of the tests. So in the meantime, we cannot use the tests. In the release that would have been issued on the 4th of April, we went further by indicating that we would have not proceeded with them in light of the growing media attention that would have been circulating in the international press concerning test kits from China that were faulty. Some of the releases would have focused on the rejection of test kits that were bought by the government of Spain, test kits that would have been bought by the government of Czechoslovakia, and several other countries. Further research would have also shown that even though some of these test kits claim that they are certified by this laboratory or that laboratory, in fact, when in-depth research would have been done, there was no such case. Because just because you put it on your box that your test is verified here or there, you, in this kind of economy that we have, in this global climate we have to be absolutely certain. And it is for that reason why I would have taken the time in today's presentation to reassure the public that even in terms of CARFA, we are not using rapid test kits, and we are also not using test kits out of China, out of an abundance of caution, because we are not prepared. This government, the Federal Ministry of Health, is not prepared to gamble with the health of the people of St. Kitts and Nevis. Now, also stated in the release of the 4th of April was a final sentence to that same paragraph, which said, even if we do get to the point where we begin using antibody testing to ascertain whether or not someone may have been exposed to COVID-19 in the past and as such would have built up resistance or antibodies to the infection, it still remains a fact that St. Kitts and Nevis and the rest of the CARICOM member states will not announce a case being confirmed until it is properly validated, tested, and verified by the Caribbean Public Health Agency.
Since making her original statement on the issue, there have been persistent comments on social media suggesting that the real reason for not using the donation was because of the political affiliation of the test kits donor. Glenn Barrett reporting for SKN Newsline.